Welcome back, guys. I'm KP.
And I'm Geno J,
the real estate
gurus.
And today we want to walk you through the final product of this property we have here over on Daisy.
Right now it's a single family ranch home, and it's also a home that has fire damage.
And what we did was a second story addition.
As you can see, we've already gutted all of the sheetrock out of the house, but the house has pretty extensive fire damage.
Y'all gonna start calling me the addition king, because what we do is we take the roof off this thing and we add a second level. We like to create a lot of curb appeal to the house. We want to make the house look like it was built that way. And as you can see, we built a nice front porch on the house. And you probably can't tell from this angle, the original front door was here, and we moved the door over because we wanted to get a larger porch, just to make the house stand out more, just to make the house look good. And you can really entertain your family and friends back here. So I think it turned out great. I hope you guys like it.
So let's take a look at inside. We'll kind of see what's going on inside, and I'll explain to you a little bit more about what's going on.
Come on in, guys. I know if you watched the last video, you couldn't wait for this one to come out. So right now, I'm going to show you the finishes that we took it and ran with. On this island here, which is a 6-foot island, we put that granite countertop on with the overhang that I was discussing prior to that. We got all these white shaded cabinets, and we only put wall cabinets on this side to make this space feel a lot larger. And that's becoming a trend nowadays. But another trend that we didn't start, but we're going to take some credit for it. We see it everywhere. It's a 12 by 24 tile on the wall for subway tile. We typically run this tile to the ceiling, but with these 9-foot ceilings, we just stopped at the top of the cabinets to keep it symmetrical. So we got this 60-40 sink over here. We always like to add these type of staging materials in there to give it a little pop so you can pretty much see itself with the natural earth tones and the greens. So probably going to see it very good at every property we do, because it's so clean and functional and gives this space a lot more added, let me say, elegance. So we got the regular electric stove over here. Behind me is the fridge with the cabinet above, and the fridge comes to the right of it. So the kitchen, we wanted to keep it clean yet functional, and I think we executed that plan pretty well. So in this space, this is our only bathroom downstairs. We chose to go with this design on the floor to give it that type of unique funk that we like to put in all these properties. We got the subway tile on the wall, we got a herringbone pattern on the back wall, and then the traditional brick subway on the left and right side of the wall. We kept the vanity large in here, so you got ample space for anything that you choose to use. Great mirror, and really dope vanity lights. So I'm gonna take you upstairs to the other bathroom, which is the Jack and Jill and the master.
And our goal for this house is to gut it and to convert it into a second story addition.
Let's check out upstairs. Okay guys, now you're in the master bedroom. Anytime we do a new build or addition, we always try to vault the ceiling or do a tray ceiling if possible, because it just makes the space look bigger and it gives the wall and ceiling some dimension. And as you can see, there's a huge master bedroom. We did 3 big windows in the front and 1 to the left to give it a lot of natural light. And then we also did the his and her closet. This is his, a good sized closet for his. And then hers, we also did a big closet for her. And we tried to put a little extra something in the corner for her, but great space. Everything I think turned out great. Now KP's gonna show you the bathrooms and talk about what we did in there.
Alright, welcome to the master bathroom. Where we got the gray hexagon tile on the floor. Huge vanity. This is an 8-foot vanity right here with double sinks. We got the double mirrors, double vanity lights to get the shade and the same style as the ones we have in the other bathrooms, but up here we chose to go with the white. And good shower. Shower so big, got a bench in it. Alright, next to the shower we have the tub. This is a regular soaking tub so you relax in if you don't want to take a shower. It's a huge shower. And then this space behind me is the water closet with the toilet. So this is the master. I love it. Feels like a spot. You know, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment on this video and cut your notifications on so you can see every time we upload a video. I'm KP along with Geno J, and I'd like to thank you guys for following us and watching this video.